This is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the pre-installed Google Drive app. If you do not have it, you can get it for free from the Google Play Store. It's a matter of seconds really. But if you haven't manually uninstalled it, that means that you should have this app available on your phone. Now let me quickly verify my Google account so the system allows me to go through and continue whatever I was supposed to be doing. So launch the Google Drive, then hit the plus icon over here, choose the scan option from the list, allow Google Drive to have an access to camera, and then take a photo of whatever real-life document you wanted to make the scan out of. Once the picture is shot, if you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, simply retake the photo. The next step is this editing menu or editing interface that allows you to change the file color scheme, rotate it 90 degrees at a time, and crop the original photo to frame the part that you would like to actually result in the PDF file we are about to create, like that. Then hit the save button over there. Rename the document if you are interested in it. You can also change the Google account and the folder drive that this file will be saved to, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for your, precious scan to be uploaded to Drive, and here is the result. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.